Hey there. One of the questions that we occasionally still get when we first start working together is, hey, Lisa, can you just send us a list of all the franchises that you work with? And we can't do that. And here's why. Mostly, it wouldn't do you any good. That's kind of like Googling best franchise near you. We are not pushing paperwork. We are not pushing one brand, all the time for every single person out there. A list is not going to answer your critical questions. Would you recognize a good opportunity if it was staring you in the face? You don't know if you can afford it. Definitely don't know if it's available in your market. And most importantly, does it align with your goals, your lifestyle, your vision for the future? So at Integrity Franchise Group, we're not guessing. We're trying to guide you through a discovery that filters out the noise and gets you in front of real opportunities that fit you, your geography, what you can afford, and helps you get clarity through a lot of clutter. There are 4,000 franchises out there. That's a lot of clutter. If you want a spreadsheet and a list or a bunch of brands that you've never heard of and have no idea if they're good, you have no idea if the management team is great or if they're crooks, sorry, you're in the wrong place. We are happy to help you. We are happy to make this go as fast as you need it to go. We're not saying we're going to try to slow you down, but we are saying that a list is going to waste your time, and truthfully, it's also going to waste ours. We want to give you the best information for you, and there's a lot that goes into this. We're still going to show you a lot of brands, more probably than most consultants out there show. But when we show you those brands, we're able to talk to you about why we have eyes on them for you. You come back with feedback, and then there's also more doors to open behind that. But I will say, I have not done it in 12 years, and I'm not going to start doing it now. There is no list. Thank you for watching. If you're ready to take the next step, Integrity Franchise Group is here to help. Click the link below or reach out to us today to schedule an appointment. Let's work together to solve that franchise puzzle and turn your business dreams into reality. We cannot wait to connect with you.